Good afternoon, friends. I'm Dr. Aajay Shah. We are bringing you this another afternoon live. Like I always have said, I finish my quick, healthy lunch and save some time during my lunch time and try to bring one afternoon live at least three four times a week. We've done different lives on nutrition. We have done live on many other topics. Today is a kind of an interesting topic, always dear to my heart, and that topic is how to live up to 110 years old. How to live up to 110 years old. So today I will be just listing them, just the titles, just listing them. But one day I will have probably 3 or 4 hour seminar on how to live up to age 110 healthy and happy. Age 110 happy and healthy. So let's just start with the list today. Number one, minimize eating outside. So no restaurant eating as much as possible, eat mostly home. Second thing, no oil, avoid oil as much as possible. Number three, no salt, avoid as much as salt possible. Number four, no sugar, avoid sugar as much as possible. Number five, no simple grain like white flour, white rice. Number six, eat whole food, plant-based food. Number seven, every day have 2 cups of beans or lentils. Number eight, no smoking. Number nine, no fruit juice. Number 10, only intact grains. Number 11, keep your LDL, the bad cholesterol, 60. Number 12, keep your HDL, good cholesterol, 70. Number 13, keep your triglycerides 30 to 50 range. Number 14, keep your A1C, which is a measure of diabetes, 4.8 to 5.2. Number 15, keep your fasting blood sugar below 84. Number 16, keep your body mass index 21 or below. Number 17, keep your body fat below 15% for man, below 25% for female. Number 18, keep your liver enzymes ALT and AST 10 to 15 or below. Number 19, keep your waist below 35 inches and preferably in Asians and Indian Americans below 31, below 30 inches. Number 20, sleep 8 hours. Number 21, have 2 hours of REM sleep and 2 hours of deep sleep every night. Number 22, weight training every day. Number 23, minimum 10,000 steps per day. Number 24, move every hour. Number 25, have a purpose, have a goal in life. Number 26, eat up to your 70% full. Number 27, no alcohol. Number 28, have a great relationship. Number 29, have a spiritual life. Number 30, have a good financial health. Number 31, do daily meditation. Number 32, do regular breathing exercise or pranayam. Again, for people who are joining now, we are going over through the different things you can do to live up to 110 happy and healthy. Number 33, daily sauna, both dry sauna as well as heat water sauna. Number 34, do daily stretches and yoga. Number 35, get married or have a life partner. Number 36, have kids. Number 37, do some form of brain activity every day. Number 38, downshift means always think of gratitude. Number 39, stress management or manage stress well. Number 40, use stress as a fuel, as an energy to grow further. Number 41, daily flax seeds. Number 42, eat G-bombs, which is from Dr. Furman, and we'll discuss in our seminar. G-bombs includes green vegetables, berries, onions, mushrooms, and beans. Number 43, drink 64 ounces of minimum water. Number 44, no worries or no anxiety. Number 45, no dairy. Number 46, no animal products. Number 47, daily exposure to sunlight. Number 48, regular vitamin D supplement. Number 49, regular B12 supplement, vitamin B12 supplement. Number 50, regular fish oil. Number 51, consider taking glucophage. Number 52, consider taking aspirin. Number 53, keep your insulin level below 1. Number 54, keep your HSCRP, which is the marker of inflammation, 0.1. Number 55, never retire. Number 6, read every day. Number 57, eat between 11 to 5 or try to create 12-hour no eating window. Number 58, regular flossing and tooth care. Number 59, travel regularly. Number 60, no texting and driving. Number 61, learn new language. Number 62, learn new musical instrument. Number 63, play chess or play brain activity. Number 64, keep the waist diameter lowest possible. Number 65, take care of your skin. Use regular sunglasses. Actually, use regular sunscreen. Number 66, take care of your eye. Regular sunglasses prevent the cataract. Number 67, have great friends. Number 68, teach every day a student or a colleague. Number 69, keep your heart calcium score or coronary calcium score below 250 for life. Number 70, take cold shower or take a cold water plunge. Number 71, walnuts. If your body mass index is below 25. Number 72, caloric restriction. That means eat about 1700 calories and burn 1700 calories. Number 73, eat from page 216 from It to Live book. I'll explain that in my seminar. Number 74, daily consumption of sprouts or vegetables. 75, daily consumption of fermented food with each meal. Number 76, have a strong family values. Number 78, have strong kids. Number 78, have life partner or spouse. Number 79, have a good social connections. Number 80, definitely be a leader. Number 81, definitely work on building legacy. Number 82, definitely make good money to have a good life. Number 83, be smart with social media, no overuse of social media. Number 84, eat diversity of food, at least 30 to different type of food every week. Number 85, have a diversity of microbiome, which are the bacteria in our colon. I'll cover that more in my talk. Number 86, have a daily bowel movement. Number 87, avoid screen in the late evening or at night. That means avoiding phone as much as possible. Number 88, have high adversity quotient. We'll talk about that. Number 89, always keep calm and cool. Number 90, observe your breath whenever possible. Number 91, laugh more. Number 92, cry more. Number 93, be nice. Number 94, avoid TV no more than half an hour per day. Number 95, watch news maximum 10 minutes. Get your news from a app instead of watching on TV. Number 96, wear minimum clothes at night. Number 97, keep your bedroom temperature 66 degree. Number 98, wear minimum clothes at home. Number 99, walk bare feet in the nature. Number 100, embrace aging. Number 11, think that you will live up to 110. Number 102, never get angry. 103, never coffee or tea. 104, keep your blood pressure 100. Number 105, resting heart rate keep between 45 and 55. Number 106, look good and dress up. Number 107, keep body tone. Number 108, create hunger pains at least 4 to 6 times a day. That means stay hungry until you're absolutely in need of a food. Number 109, fast 24 hours once a week. Number 110, fast 3 to 5 days, 3 to 4 times a year. And we will cover what the benefits of fasting when I give my seminar. Number 111, have positive to negative emotions at least 3 to 1, possibly 5 to 1 or 10 to 1. Again, we are talking about how to live up to age 110. I'll be giving a full 3 to 4 hour seminar. Right now, we are just listing them out. Number 112, never have a single negative emotion or single negative thought. Number 113, be optimistic. Number 114, be positive. Number 115, be spiritual. Number 116, take a nap whenever possible. Number 117, volunteer. Number 108, donate or have your own charity. Donate time or money. Number 119, memento mori. That means be aware that death is inevitable in everybody. Number 120, have practice negative visualization, which we'll talk about it. Number 121, have a pet. Number 122, eat at least 50 to 75 grams of fiber. 123, swim or learn to swim. Number 124, journal every day. Number 125, look at daily gratitude list. Number 126, be creative. Number 127, have a hand-brain activity like cook or play piano or like look at any other instrument or play a sport where brain and hand activities are involved and coordinated. Number 128, work hard. Number 129, love your work. Number 130, be passionate. Number 131, be optimistic. Number 132, have a uh, uh, have a healthy work environment. Number 133, get all the appropriate vaccines. Number 134, follow all preventative procedures, including colonoscopy, mammogram, and other things. Number 135, be realist. Number 136, always dream big. Number 137, no soda, no diet soda. 138, no artificial sweeteners. Number 139, know your genetics. What genetic risk do you have? Number 140, be adaptable. Number 141, eat regular spices. Number 142, enjoy every moment and enjoy life. Number 143, eat 1 pound of raw vegetables, 1 pound of cooked vegetables. Number 144, eat sweet potatoes every day. Number 145, 5 servings of fruit every day. Number 146, be logical. Number 147, be analytical. Number 148, only water cooked food, that means no fried food, no charred food, no grilled food. Number 150, no high heat cooked food. Number 151, know what you cannot control and what you can control. Number 152, avoid any unnecessary medications, including antibiotics. Avoid non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. 154, no processed meat, no processed food. 155, no trans fat. Number 156, 20 minutes of high intensity training. Number 157, see primary care physician twice a year. 159, see your dentist twice a year. Number 160, track your daily sleep and exercise and physical activity, the Fitbit type device. Number 161, keep parasympathetic tone very high. Number 162, rare fight, flight, or freeze reaction, no more than once or twice a month. 164, measure your telomere length. Number 165, measure your microbiome with American Gut Project. So again, these are some of the things I've put together to how to live up to age 110. I will be giving a 3 to 4 hour long seminar describing each of this item in detail. So please stay tuned. This will be probably ready in about 4 to 6 weeks. So please stay tuned for that. Giving you some update on our page. We are close to be 40,000 followers now. We will be starting regular posting of healthy recipes, mostly whole food, plant-based. So please stay tuned for that. We are also recording videos for the YouTube. We have, I think, about 110 YouTube videos now. So reach out to our YouTube channel, Healthy Living with Dr. Aajay Shah, and watch the YouTube videos. Again, thanks for supporting our movement. Invite your friends and family. I actually almost request you to invite 25 of your friends and family every day, if you can, and join our movement. We have now 40,000 followers. We are hoping to be 100,000 followers by January. And your support, your help by inviting your friends would be greatly appreciated. Thank you and have a good afternoon.